G'day and welcome to Shaving Down Under once again. We have another quick unboxing video here, and this little parcel has rocked up today. I haven't actually looked inside of it yet. I've just cut open some tape, give us some easy access, and because it takes at least a month for stuff to arrive, I just really can't remember what I've bought, so it's all a mystery to me as well. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, so it's a purple box. Maybe that will give it away for some people. This is so any wild guesses out there? It is a razor and it is a Gillette. Let's open it up. May have to use two hands here. Okay, there it is. It's a Lady Gillette, and it's got the instructions there. Let's get the clear away. Designed for no nicks and cuts, just for legs and underarms, no blade handling. And I'd say it's never been used. And that's the reason why I bought it. Can't see what the difference would be between this one and the black one that was marketed to men. Okay, hope you enjoyed it.